Is it time to buy or sell Joby Aviation stock? In this video, we will explore Joby Aviation in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Joby Aviation as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.89. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 175.15% since we initially categorized Joby Aviation as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.5% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 170.58% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 109.51% to 197.5%. In looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 51.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 38.93% to positive 63.79% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.56 and $31.01. Our latest daily update for Joby Aviation includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Joby Aviation stock after losing 2.87%. The Joby Aviation stock price fell by 2.87% on the last day, Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, dropping from $19.49 to $18.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.26%, with a day low of $18.53 and a day high of $20.06. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, but has increased by 7.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also declined on the last day, which is a positive sign since volume should follow the stock. On that day, the trading volume fell by 13 million shares, resulting in a total of 33 million shares bought and sold for approximately $620,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $20.95, while the lowest was $4.70. Currently, the price is 9.64% or $2.02 below the 52-week high of $20.95, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Joby Aviation, a leader in electric air taxi development, is currently navigating a challenging landscape in the stock market following its second quarter earnings report released on the 6th of August, 2025. Despite an impressive increase of 280% over the past year, elevating its value to $16 billion, the company faced a decline in stock price after announcing its earnings. The second quarter results underscored significant operational advancements, including the initiation of final assembly for its first conforming aircraft, which is essential for the upcoming Type Inspection Authorization flight tests. In addition to investor reactions to the earnings report, Joby's recent strategic acquisition of Blade Air Mobility's passenger business for up to $125 million has attracted considerable attention. This acquisition is anticipated to bolster Joby's urban air mobility framework and expand its customer base, paving the way for the swift commercialization of its air taxi services. Furthermore, the collaboration with ANA Holdings to deploy more than 100 aircraft in Japan signifies a strong move toward global expansion, especially with the anticipated demonstration flights at Expo 2025 in Osaka. Short-term effects on Joby's stock price may depend on market perceptions of these earnings results and the integration of Blade's operations. A shift in sentiment could be observed as investors evaluate the long-term potential of these strategic initiatives against immediate operational challenges. Overall, While immediate stock fluctuations are likely as the market processes these developments, the long-term outlook appears promising if Joby can effectively leverage its acquisition and international partnerships. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Joby a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned Joby a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Joby an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned Joby a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned Joby a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Joby Aviation stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Joby Aviation. The Joby Aviation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $18.05 and $13.67. A breakdown below either of these points would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.16%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 49 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 51 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Joby Aviation. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $17.72 and $17.16. There is a natural risk involved when the stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this instance, Joby Aviation finds support just below today's level at $17.72. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.16 and $16.33. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its high and low, reflecting an increase of 8.26%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Joby Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio indicates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio signifies that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 19 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures. as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Joby Aviation. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Joby Aviation is at $19.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Joby Aviation encounters its first support level at $17.72. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Joby Aviation from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of July 2025, Allison Eric executed an insider buy of 8,428 shares of restricted stock units. On the same date, Dehoff Kate made an insider purchase of 6,807 shares of restricted stock units. Also, on that day, Papadopoulos Didier conducted an insider buy of 8,428 shares of restricted stock units. Bowles Gregory, on the 28th of July 2025, carried out an insider buy of 5,997 shares of restricted stock units. Finally, on the same day, Simi Bonnie W. purchased 7,601 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 41.079. In total, insiders acquired 6,005,891 shares, while selling 14,080,109 shares in these last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $17.82, reflecting a decrease of 5.88%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Joby Aviation stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Joby Aviation stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that Joby Aviation will open higher by approximately 243/10,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $19.17. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.